Imagine this. The ground begins to shake violently beneath your feet. The sky darkens with ominous clouds, or a wall of water is heading straight for your home. Natural disasters strike without warning, leaving destruction in their wake. When disaster hits, the difference between life and death could come down to how prepared you are. But fear not. Today, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to surviving any natural disaster, whether it's an earthquake, hurricane, wildfire, or flood. So stay sharp, stay calm, and let's get prepared. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're serious about prepping and survival, this channel is your ultimate guide to staying safe no matter what comes your way. Click subscribe now so you won't miss out on crucial survival tips. Step 1. Stay informed. In any natural disaster, knowledge is power. Sign up for emergency alerts from your local government or download apps that give real-time updates. Keep a battery-powered weather radio on hand for when power and internet fail. Staying ahead of the situation allows you to act before disaster strikes. Step 2. Create an emergency plan. Your emergency plan should outline escape routes, meeting points for family members, and communication methods. Know where to shut off utilities like gas, water, and electricity in case of a disaster. Ensure every family member knows the plan inside and out, and run drills so everyone is prepared to act quickly. Step 3. Assemble an emergency kit. Your survival kit should be easily accessible and contain the essentials to keep you alive for at least 72 hours. This includes water, 1 gallon per person per day, non-perishable food, first aid kit, flashlight and extra batteries, multi-tool, emergency blankets, prescription medications, personal hygiene products. Don't forget supplies for your pets, and make sure you regularly check expiration dates on food and medical items. Step 4. Secure your home. Depending on the type of disaster, you'll need different ways to fortify your home. For hurricanes, install storm shutters and reinforce doors. For earthquakes, secure heavy furniture and shelves to walls. If wildfire risk is high, create a defensible space by clearing flammable vegetation around your house. This preparation can reduce the damage and buy you time when it counts most. Step 5. Know when to evacuate or shelter in place. Sometimes staying put is your safest option, but other times you need to get out fast. If authorities order an evacuation, don't hesitate. Grab your go bag and leave immediately. But if sheltering in place is advised, ensure all doors and windows are sealed, stay away from external walls, and keep listening for updates. Step 6. Stay calm and be adaptable. In the heat of a disaster, panic can be your worst enemy. Take a few deep breaths and assess the situation. Follow your plan, but be prepared to adapt if circumstances change. If roads are blocked, know alternate routes. If your kit is inaccessible, make do with what you have. Flexibility and quick thinking are essential to survival. Natural disasters don't give us a warning, but we don't have to be caught off guard. By staying informed, having a plan, and preparing your emergency kit, you can significantly increase your chances of surviving whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Remember, preparedness is the key to survival. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. With more life-saving content coming your way, you don't want to miss out. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.